Hi, I'm Andy Betts, and I'm going to show you how to practice difficult conversations using freely available AI tools and prompts. You know it takes time to acquire new skills and use them expertly. Malcolm Gladwell suggested that 10,000 hours of practice are needed. This is spot on for difficult conversation skills, where there are very many scenarios to consider. And to make matters worse, it's hard to get enough practice. You first have to find very patient partners to work with. But you've got an AI assistant, right? So here's how you can use it to boost your difficult conversation skills. What you see here is a learning session that takes advantage of an AI assistant to role-play a difficult conversation, analyze it, make suggestions for how to improve it, and ask questions to help you learn. All that you need for this is the prompt to give to the assistant, which you get from my Iconda Solutions website. This approach to independent learning is revolutionary. You no longer need a super patient partner. Your AI assistant can take that role. You can also work with thousands of scenarios, inventing new ones and modifying old ones at will. And as far as time goes, since your practice is far more efficient, Malcolm Gladwell's 10,000 hours is reduced very significantly. To get the magic prompts, go to iconda.solutions and log in. The account is free with no strings attached. Click on My Learning Space. At the top of the learning space is a quick explanation of how it works and a summary of candid and calming communication. This methodology drives the questions, feedback, and suggestions that you'll get from your AI assistant. From then on, it's up to you what you do. Use the prompts provided to get started, but don't hesitate to add your own, to go back and repeat things, to challenge what you're told, and so on. Your imagination is the only limit. Have fun.